Are you look best extension cord reel? Here are 5 of the top-rated models on the market, based on consumer feedback and reviews. Whether you're looking for a heavy-duty model for industrial use or a compact option for home use, there's sure to be a reel that fits your needs. So let's get started. List 1. Aliexpress 12-gauge extension cord reel. The 12-gauge SJTW power cord reel is a 15-amp and 1875W extension cord and reel. This reel is made from durable, high-quality polypropylene plastic for long life and smooth operation, so you can use it for years without worry. The 15-amp circuit breaker prevents damaging overloads by automatically tripping to protect itself. The reinforced 3-prong plug makes connecting to a variety of electrical outlets easier than ever before. This heavy-duty, durable reel is ideal for general household work or small to medium industrial applications. This 12-gauge SJTW thick power cable with a 15-amp and 1875W power rating and 15-amp circuit breaker is designed for both normal household work and small to medium professional heavy equipment. The retractable extension cord reel is designed for both indoor and outdoor use, proving its reliability in your everyday life. List number: Doe & Will's 30-feet retractable extension cord reel. Doe & Will's extension cord reel with the ratcheting system secures the power cord at any length to prevent kinks and tangles. This retractable extension cord reel allows you to quickly pull and release the cord in multiple directions, preventing your cords from getting tangled or getting in the way of other people. The extension cord reel is portable. Comes with a free wall mount that can be easily installed when needed and has a built-in swivel bracket which allows you to freely pivot it up to 180 degrees. The 30-feet power cord reel retracts quickly and smoothly with a clever auto-guide rewind mechanism to avoid kinks and tangles. The ratcheting system will lock the cord at any length and allow you to quickly store it when finished. Perfect for hanging from your garage ceiling or mounting to a wall. Easily pull and release cord from multiple directions. Free up more workspace and make storage a breeze. Avoid tangled cords or people tripping up. List number 3. EP Retractable Extension Cord Reel. The auto-guide retractable extension cord reel is a special type of PVC cord, is tangle-free and resistant to UV light and ozone, as well as water, oil, and acid that you may find in a typical garage. Also weather-resistant and flexible in low temperatures. With a clever auto-guide rewind mechanism to avoid kinks and tangles, the power cord reel will retract quickly and smoothly. The ratcheting system will lock the cord at any length. Cord reel also comes with an adjustable stopper. The portable extension cord winder is a revolutionary new accessory for storing and rewinding your cords. Its auto-guide rewind feature will keep your cords tangle-free, so you can enjoy hassle-free storage of your cords and worry-free use of them. Built-in 15A circuit breaker protects devices against short circuit and overloads, which will automatically cut off power supply when the total current of the connected devices exceeds 15A. List more. RealWorks Extension Cord Reel. The RealWorks Extension Cord Reel is the perfect solution for safe and efficient storage of your power cords. The reel features a UL certified outlet box with yellow insulation and black exterior body. The outlets are coated with a PVC material that provides a flame retardant protection to the receptacle without compromising flexibility or strength. Light slides smoothly into place on the cord reel, so there is never any wasted cord or tension on it, allowing for easy on and off access. Each cable meter can be used at any temperature up to 220 degrees Fahrenheit. They feature non-conductive PVC insulation and galvanized steel housing, which is able to resist corrosion and other adverse conditions. The white flexible bare copper wire allows you to display connector sizes up-down from 1/0 through 6/7. List number: Doe & Will's 50-feet heavy-duty cord reel. The Doe & Will's 50-feet heavy-duty cord reel with a triple outlet capacity in a lighted indicator for those hard-to-see areas, and the clever auto-guide rewind mechanism to avoid kinks and tangles. With this power cord reel, your cords are sure to stay tangle-free while being retracted quickly and smoothly. It has an adjustable stopper, so you can adjust it according to your requirements. The electric cord reel is 50 feet long, rated for a capacity of 13A, 125 volts, 1,625 watts, and with a triple outlet capacity in a lighted indicator. With a clever auto-guide rewind mechanism to avoid kinks and tangles, the power cord reel will retract quickly and smoothly. The ratcheting system will lock the cord at any length. Cord reel also comes with an adjustable stopper, so that you can adjust it exactly where you need it.